Hi, welcome to Maree. Today I'm going to share with you how we make our easy homemade pizza sauce. Only 4 ingredients, and I've got 2 ways to show you. So it's super easy. I'm going to do it in 2 of these glass jars here. So 4 ingredients. We use tomatoes, basil and garlic and chili powder, but if chili flakes. But if chili is not your thing, just leave it out and there's only 3 ingredients. So I do it with either what's called passata, which is like a tomato puree. So I'm going to do that in 1 jar. And I just mix and match it depending on what I've got in the cupboard at the time. So that's a 200-gram carton. So pour that in. And this is a 400-gram tin of crushed tomatoes. I buy this Italian brand called Maree, and they're always delicious. So I'm just going to use half of the tin though, thereabouts. Because we're making 3 balls tonight, and there'll be a little bit left over. And what I'll do, I'll pop one in the freezer. And then I grab dried basil. You can use fresh, but I rarely have fresh basil. And depending on taste, I usually do about 2 teaspoons. And you can have more or less depending on what you like. I prefer it without oregano, but if you like oregano, put it in. And I'm going to do 1 with what's called garlic powder, which is really handy to have if you don't have fresh garlic. So this one we'll put a teaspoon in. And if garlic's not your thing, leave it out. And the other one, this one, I'll put fresh garlic in. And I make this about 15 to 20 minutes before I'm wanting to use it. It just gives time for all the spices to do its thing inside the sauce. There's always a little bit left over, so I just throw that in as well. And chili flakes is optional. So I'll let you in on a secret. We used to have, a confession, we used to have salami pizzas all the time. And we loved the spiciness of salami, but we thought, you know what, it's not really that good for us, so let's try and not have it. And then I discovered that if I add chili flakes into my pizza sauce, it tastes almost like we're eating salami, but without all the fat and all the other yucky stuff. So I add half to 1 teaspoon. So we'll just do half today, just depending on how fiery you like it, or you can leave it out if you're making this for children. And then I just stir it up. That's it. That's how easy it is. I'll come closer and show you a close-up. So here's my 2 options. I've got the crushed tomatoes here with the label, and I've got the other one with the passata here. So if you like my pizza sauce recipe, hit the thumbs up. Try it at home when you make pizzas, and you can even buy store-bought pizza bases if you don't want to make your own. But if you want to make your own dough, I'll pop the link up above for my pizza dough. I've got 2 ways, with strong white bread flour and 1 with spelt flour. And write a comment below if you give this a go and you like it. And let me know which one your favourite is, with the garlic, fresh garlic, or with the garlic powder, and if you use passata or crushed tomatoes. Or if you've got another favourite way of making your own pizza sauce, pop the idea below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.